The Holiday Inn Orlando Airport Hotel recently completed a multi-million-dollar property-wide renovation. The changes to the property's 290 guest rooms, lobby, and public areas reflect the brand's H4 design concept to better meet the needs of today's traveler. The light, open lobby features 3 reception desks, contemporary seating areas with charging stations, a convenience market, and boarding pass printing stations, as well as the new Drift Kitchen and Bar. Here, you'll find a 23-foot television wall, as well as an exceptional array of international cuisines. The Holiday Inn Orlando Airport Hotel is ready to host your next event in its flexible 7,000 square foot meeting space, which combines a ballroom with an adjacent boardroom for a truly customizable event experience.